Welcome to Bet5 Gaming. Most Baccarat players don't lose because they don't understand the game. They lose because they don't manage their money. In this video, we're going to break down simple bankroll management strategies that can help you stay in the game longer and play smarter. Your bankroll is the total amount of money you are willing to play with. And here's the rule most people ignore. Never play with money you can't afford to lose. Before you even sit at the table, you should already know your total budget, your maximum loss, your target win. Without this, you're just guessing. A simple method many players use is the 1% to 5% rule. This means each bet should only be 1% to 5% of your total bankroll. Example, if you have $100, your bets should be between $1 and $5. Why? Because it protects you from losing everything too quickly and gives you more chances to recover. 2 powerful habits. Set a win limit. Set a loss limit. For example, stop playing if you win 50% of your bankroll. Stop if you lose 30%. This removes emotional decisions and protects your progress. Most players lose their winnings because they don't know when to stop. Mistake number 1, doubling bets after losses. This can quickly drain your bankroll. Mistake number 2, playing too fast. More rounds equals more risk. Mistake number 3, trying to recover losses immediately. This leads to emotional betting. The key is patience, not speed. Bankroll management doesn't guarantee wins, but it keeps you in control. And that's what matters most. If you want to play smarter, not just harder, subscribe to Bet5 for more strategy and real gameplay insights.